Hello everyone, this is Manikandan here. Welcome back to the class. So we are going to continue on the topic of absolute pins part 2. Let's get started. It is white's turn to play. Could you find the absolute pin which white can make? Again, look at the opponent king and look diagonally to it so you can find the correct pin. Even here there are like two possibilities. Try to find the correct pin. Let's see whether you can find it. Now let me go with the possible pins. One is bishop to b5, pinning the rook with the king. The other one is going bishop to h3 and pinning the knight with the king. So which one will be perfect? Which one is undefendable? The answer is bishop to b5. Now this rook is pinned and they cannot move anywhere, so that we can capture it in the next move even though they have a support, because we will be getting 5 points, we will be losing only 3 points. Let's see what happens if we go bishop to h3. This knight is in danger, but they can defend the knight with something like pawn to g6 or even rook to c5. Then if we capture, it would be an equal trade. That's why bishop to b5 is the correct pin. Let's see the next one. Here it is white's turn to play. Could you find the good move for white which makes an absolute pin? Look at the opponent king and look straight to it. The answer is rook to d8. Now the queen cannot move anywhere, so it cannot capture our queen because it is pinned with the king. So the next move, we can capture the queen. Let's see the next one. It is white's turn to play. Could you find how to make an absolute pin here as white? You can also pause the video and try to think. The answer is you can move the rook to g6 so that you can pin the queen with the king, and even if they capture us, we have support from the bishop, so we will still get material advantage, which means we will get extra points. Let's go to the next one. It is white's turn to play again. How to make a successful absolute pin? I think you might have spotted both the possible pins, which is rook to b2, pinning this bishop with the king. The other possible pin is rook to f7, pinning this bishop with the king. Which one will be the successful one? Could you spot the difference? The answer is rook to f7. Why not rook to b2? Because they can escape from this, they can defend it with king to a6, so we cannot capture that bishop after that. So we have to move rook to f7. Now this bishop cannot be defended by any of the black piece, so in the next move we can definitely capture the bishop. Let's go to the next one. Here it is white's turn to play. How could white make a pin here? As usual, look at the opponent king and look diagonally to it and look straight line to it. If you see any of your opponent pieces in diagonal to the opponent king, you can pin them. Yeah, we can pin the queen with the king. Did you find the correct move? Did you find this one? Bishop to c4? Then that is correct, because even if they capture, we have support from the knight. So I hope you have understood all these puzzles, and I hope you are all able to solve these puzzles with me. So that's all for today. See you in the next class.